Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Hopesync. In today's fast-paced world, balancing work and personal life can be a real challenge. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to share some valuable tips to help you strike that perfect balance. So let's dive right in. Segment 1. The importance of balance. Before we get into the tips, let's talk about why it's essential to strike a balance between work and personal life. Maintaining this balance can lead to improved mental and physical health, stronger relationships, and increased overall happiness. Now let's focus to the tips which can be used for manage your activities of daily living. Tip number 1. Set clear boundaries. Establish specific work hours and stick to them as closely as possible. When your workday ends, mentally switch off from work and focus on your personal life. This separation is crucial. Tip number 2. Prioritize self-care. Make time for yourself, whether it's through exercise, meditation, hobbies, or simply relaxing. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is vital for maintaining balance. Tip number 3. Learn to say no. It's okay to decline extra work or social commitments when you feel overwhelmed. Remember, saying no to one thing often means saying yes to something more important. Tip number 4. Plan and organize your time effectively. Use calendars, to-do lists, and time management techniques to maximize your productivity at work, leaving more time for your personal life. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid to delegate at work and seek help when needed. This can reduce your workload and free up time for personal activities, reducing stress in the process. Tip number 6. Focus on quality over quantity. Whether at work or in your personal life, prioritize meaningful experiences and connections over a hectic schedule filled with tasks. Tip number 7. Be present in the moment. When you're at work, give it your all. When you're with family and friends, be fully engaged. This mindfulness can enhance the quality of both your work and personal life. Tip number 8. Regularly assess your work-life balance and make adjustments as needed. Life is dynamic and your priorities may shift over time. Be flexible in adapting your balance. To wrap it up, finding the right balance between work and personal life is a continuous journey. By setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, learning to say no, and effectively managing your time, you can achieve a more harmonious life. Remember, balance looks different for everyone, so find what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Hopesync for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, strive for balance and enjoy every moment. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these tips valuable. If you have any other tips for balancing work and personal life or any personal stories to share, please leave them in the comments below. Let's help each other achieve that perfect work-life balance. See you in the next video.